In this video, I'll walk you through a few templates and examples to give you an idea for how you can utilize forms within your instance. Let's start with the first example, which is a design decision or voting scenario. Imagine you have a Confluence page with some designs or content that you want people to review. By using the Forms for Confluence macro on that page, you can allow users to cast their vote or provide opinions on those design choices. It's a great way to gather feedback and make decisions collectively. Another example is event registration. Suppose you have an upcoming event and you create a page to describe it and invite people. By adding a form at the bottom of the page, you can capture and store data from people who are interested in attending the event. And as a final example, an onboarding checklist. In your Confluence instance, you may have an HR area where new hires are onboarded. You may have a checklist and then potentially some data that you can collect and store with Forms for Confluence. These are just 3 examples I've highlighted to illustrate how Forms for Confluence can be used. But of course, there are many more ways you can utilize forms within your organization.